Hey guys, welcome to Smartphone Fan. Today we have the Doogee latest dual 5G larger smartphone, the Doogee V20, and this is the world's first dual screen larger smartphone. And the front screen is 2K display and 6-inch, and the real screen is 1-inch, and it's really very cool device in the larger device industry, because it's the first time that the smartphone uses two screen in the larger device. Because for the larger device you can drop it and put it in the stand. It will have IP68 or IP69K rate, so one screen is best. If two, it's more easy to break. So this time they have two screens. So I think they must be very I don't know how to say. They must be very strict with the testing, because if it's easy to broken, it will not be larger device. Okay. From the appearance, we see they use the frame, the iron frame, and so it will be very heavy. When I use my hand to touch it, to control it, it's not so easy to control with my hand, because my hand is small. But for most of the guys, the hands are big than mine, so it will be much easier for them to use the smartphone with one hand. Okay, this is the appearance, and also we can see they passed the IP68 and IP69K rating, so they do very well in waterproofing and dust proofing, also drop proofing, because you can see there are some details here like tires. So when you drop it, it's not so easy to broken, and when you put it in water, it will not so easy to the water will not easy to penetrate to the smartphone inside. Okay, but in the real cover, we can see some special lines. It's carbon fiber lines. It's very cool for the large device, because this is the first time I see the larger device. Before, I only see it used in other devices like OnePlus cases. They use the same lines. It's very comfortable and very unique. I think very unique. Personally, I like it very much. Also, there are some other specifications I will talk about today, like the camera. There's a triple air cameras. The main is 64 megapixel, and the secondary is 8 megapixel. It's a wide angle camera. Is support 130 angle camera, and the third one is the 20 megapixel camera also. And also about the charging, it support 33 fast charging, PD charging, and it also supports 15 watts wireless charging. So it's very also with 6,000 big battery. Normally 1 week, I think you no need to charge it. It's best choice for your choose it as a backup smartphone. Okay, let's turn on the smartphone. Okay, you can see it's a 2K display screen, and so the performance is good. And now it's can also display good in sunshine. Okay, it's smoothly, touch it smoothly. So I can touch it, I can control it very smoothly. Also for the processor, it's MTK processor. It's also support 8 GB plus 256 GB. If it can be 12 plus 258 6, that will be perfect. But 8 GB is also good, because I think most of the guys who purchase this device will be used as a backup smartphone, not for the main use. Also, if they take it as a main use, these guys will not have very high demand on the larger device. I think this is to some extent, this is the flagship of the large device, because from the appearance, from the design, from the unique technology, the camera, the battery, the charging, the screen, it have the highest specification in the market. So yeah, it will be very unique, I think, now in the smartphone industry. Also, here, use the side fingerprint volume button. This is the customized button. Yeah, I think we can set the customized button here. Yes. Okay. You can try set the customized button. Okay. Angel mode display, real display. Okay, it's the real display. Real display sim. You can choose the sim here and apply it. Okay, apply successfully. So here you can see the sim. Let's change to another one. Okay, apply it. Okay, so the rear camera screen will change it after you apply the new sim. Okay, let's go back to yeah, I think it's easy key. Yes, easy key. Now single play none. Screenshot, open on the F, open under the camera. Okay. See? Okay, one more time. Let's see what's wrong with settings. Key. Sorry. Under the camera. Okay. Under the camera, we can see it. Okay, let's back to home. And press here. So it will go to the. Got it. So go to. Okay, let's back. Okay, let's try test it. So when we press this button, we will go to the underwater camera. Okay. Here, let's test the camera. Okay. Okay guys, now let's test the waterproof of the Doogee V20. Let's turn on and wash it. Okay, wash it. Okay, wash it, wash it, wash it. Put this in the water and take it out and wash it. Okay, it can work or still work. It can still work. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, you can see we can still control it very smoothly. Very smoothly. Okay. Okay. Thanks for watching. I think today's very quick and simple review of the Doogee V20. And thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned for more cool and interesting gadgets and videos from here. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.